2025 Honda Forza is here, and it's redefining what a scooter can be. Honda has taken a bold step forward with this model, blending style, performance, and technology into a package that's perfect for urban commuting or weekend adventures. Starting with its design, the 2025 Forza has a sleek, aerodynamic body that stands out on the road. The sharp lines and premium finishes give it a modern look, while the comfortable seating ensures you'll enjoy every ride. It's clear Honda focused on rider comfort and aesthetics, making the Forza not just a means of transportation but a statement on two wheels. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Forza doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a powerful engine that provides smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency, it's designed to handle both city streets and open highways with ease. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride over any terrain, and the responsive handling makes it easy to navigate through traffic. One of the standout features of the new Forza is its technology. Honda has integrated a full suite of smart features, including a digital instrument panel, keyless ignition, and Bluetooth connectivity. This means you can stay connected on the go with access to navigation, music, and hands-free calls, all from the comfort of your scooter. Safety is also a top priority, with Honda including advanced braking systems and enhanced visibility through LED lighting. The 2025 Honda Forza isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone who loves exploring on the weekends, this scooter offers the perfect blend of practicality and excitement. With its cutting-edge features and Honda's reputation for reliability, the Forza is set to be a popular choice among riders who want more from their scooter. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Forza represents the future of scooters, combining modern design, powerful performance, and smart technology. It's a scooter that not only meets the demands of today's riders, but also sets a new standard for what a scooter can be. If you're in the market for a new ride, the Honda Forza should definitely be on your radar.